Alright, we're about to see how bright they are. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, dude, they look so freaking sick. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to my channel. My name is Justin, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to install and replace your Honda Fit fog lights with nothing but a screwdriver. So there are two scenarios that you could be in watching this video. You can either not have these fog lights installed at all, or be needing to replace your bulbs, and I'm gonna show you how to do both. Now, I purchased these two in one kit from carid.com. These fog lights are probably the most popular kit to install on carid.com. They are made by Windjet, and if you are in the case that you are running a non-sport model and you need to wire the fog lights all the way into your interior, they have everything you need for that as well. Now, first of all, I'm going to show you how to replace the bulbs on these fog lights. Now, as you can see, I have Oxylam LED replacement bulbs. Now, before you go shopping for anything, you need to make sure that your bulbs are the exact same size as these ones. In this case, and in most cases, this bulb will be an H11 size. All you need to do to take out this bulb is grab the bottom, give it a twist, and give it a yank, and it's out. Grab your new bulbs. There shouldn't be any left and rights to your bulbs. Just insert it the same way you took it out, give it a twist, make sure it locks, and you're good. Now, this method works with both sides. You won't need to do any right or left conversions other than fitting them to the proper sides. Now, after you've got your old ones out and your new ones in, you can trash the old ones, and let's get on with the install. As you can see, there is a small hole where the screw on the fog light is supposed to go. All you need to do is fit it in there, get the screw, put it in there, and like I said, grab your screwdriver. Now, the other side is the same exact process. Once you've got both sides done, let's get under the car and see how we plug in these fog lights. And if you turn your wheel all the way to the inside of the car, you can get a little more room when you're walking under there. As you can see under the car, this is the light that you just put in, and this is the connector that should be hanging down after you've got it installed. Just go ahead and pop that in there, and the process is exactly the same for the other side. All right, now the very last step is to turn the key, and let's see if they work. Awesome, they look so good. Check them out. All that rather easy work to install these, replace these lights has paid off. This is what they look like without the fog lights, and this is what they look like with the fog lights. There is definitely a noticeable difference, even if it's still bright outside. All right, guys, that install was so easy, so simple to do, and such a big impact on your car. Now, I'm gonna wait a little bit, wait till it gets dark, take it into a canyon, and see what this thing really looks like. All right, we're about to see how bright they are. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, dude, they look so freaking sick. Guys, these fog lights are so bright. Look at them. Dang, they're literally so bright. I don't know if you guys can see very well, but it is lighting up the whole area. That is literally so insane. I'm so happy to have these lights back. If you guys are stoked about these lights, like this video. This is awesome. I'm so glad that we could get them in. This thing looks amazing. Guys, this video was freaking awesome. Everything went in correctly. Everything went in smoothly. It was just such an easy thing to do, and it makes such a big impact. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like. This is such an easy install to do, and it makes such a huge difference. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos like this. And I guess as always, peace out.